Take a moment to check out the 2022 Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 strikes the perfect balance between tough strength and passenger comfort. Its fuel efficiency, impressive towing capacity, and safety features make it your go-to vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, heated rear seat, power passenger seat, heated front seat, electronic stability control. Relax and enjoy getting the job done right in the strong and dependable Ram 1500. Come in for a test drive.